Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. Ever since I first made my PlayStation 5 video after Sony unveiled the official design of the PlayStation 5, some people have been messaging me and asking me about my opinion about the digital edition of the PlayStation 5. So the digital edition is going to come without any type of disk drive, so everything has to be done online. I personally don't think the digital edition will be so suitable for a country like Sri Lanka. So I'm going to be discussing about the digital edition and my opinion about this new digital edition and how it might actually play out in a country like Sri Lanka. So if you guys are new to my channel, smash that subscribe button right now and let's talk about the digital edition of the PlayStation 5. The first and main reason that I believe that Sri Lanka is not ready for the digital edition of the PlayStation 5 is because of lack of proper high quality unlimited internet plans. As of today, 19th of June 2020, the options that we have for unlimited internet are either extremely expensive or not accessible by the average consumer. So some plans actually require you to have a business registration, and some plans you can actually pick it up if you want from different service providers, but it's extremely expensive. It could be as 4 times more expensive than your average internet plan that most people might be using at home. And in my testing, I've seen that some of these unlimited plans actually don't offer the same speed as the normal plans. So hopefully that will change in the future for us to move into this digital lifestyle where we can have a digital library of games where we can go ahead and download it whenever, wherever we want without any issue. Because the thing is, now games of the PlayStation 5 are going to be extremely big in size. Some of these games could be even 80, 90, 100 gigs or even more than that. So in that case, you're gonna need a lot of data to just get these games onto your console, and then think about all the updates that come through for all the games and the system. And let's say you have around 20 games in your catalog, just to get all these games downloaded, it's gonna take a lot of effort. And if you don't have an unlimited plan, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. Now the main reason why a lot of people are interested in this digital edition in the first place is because the digital edition might be slightly cheaper than the basic PlayStation 5 that comes with the disc drive. So the rumors at the moment keep pointing us to a price difference of around $50 to $100. So if that comes into play, I still think that spending that extra $50 or $100 and picking up the disc version might be suitable as of 2020 here in Sri Lanka. The thing is, when you pick up a digital edition of a game, you still have to spend more money unless you have an unlimited internet plan just to get the game downloaded onto your console. So that might cost you a lot considering the internet options that are available, especially if you're planning to pick up data extensions to download these games. There are some other alternative internet options like time-based internet options that are available that you can make use of to get these downloaded, but it's a long process and I don't know to what extent that will work for the average consumer. Tech-savvy people will definitely get it done without any issue, but I'm just considering the scenario of the average consumer and all the options that are available. I personally think buying the digital edition in 2020 in Sri Lanka might be a bad idea. However, that might change if all the internet service providers come up with a better unlimited plan, like actual unlimited plan, that people can make use of to get these games downloaded without any speed throttling and without any real data caps, so that people can actually move into this digital lifestyle to forget about all the discs and enjoy their games. Another reason to consider is now with the PlayStation 5 and the last generation Xbox One, what I saw personally here in Sri Lanka is that a lot of people actually share their games. So let's say you buy the GTA 5 disc. So after you finish playing GTA 5, maybe your friend has the new Spider-Man game. So what you do is you go and give your disc to your friend, for him to play GTA 5, and then you can pick up Spider-Man from him and you can start playing that right on your console without any downloads. Maybe you might have to download the updates and patches, but other than that, overall it's going to be a very smooth experience for you to get the latest games. And not only that, once you finish playing the game on various online sites, I have personally seen people selling the games that they have, and even at reasonable prices. So after they're done with the game, they can actually pick up more games. So in that case, if you have the disk drive, it might be really useful. Another reason is if you don't actually have a 4K Blu-ray player at home, and if you have a 4K TV at home, then having this disk drive might actually be an advantage for you, because you're just getting it on your PlayStation 5. So optionally, if you really want to put in any type of Blu-ray drive in there, you have that option. So I personally believe if the diskless drive of the PlayStation 5 is just going to be around $50 to $100 cheaper, I think you might as well just spend that extra to $50-$100 and pick up the disc version of the PlayStation 5 just in case. However, I personally believe that the diskless version looks much better than the disc version, but at this point, with everything that's happening, I think we might have to stick with the disc version, at least as of now. Maybe those things might change in the future down the line if we get better unlimited internet plans here in Sri Lanka. So we'll have to wait and see how that will play out. I think this could be changed if the ISPs can bring in unlimited internet plans, at least for gamers specifically, like they have right now for Netflix, YouTube and all of that. If they can have dedicated unlimited plans for gamers, that would be really awesome, and that's something to think about. So those are my opinions about the diskless PlayStation 5. So let me know what you guys think about my opinions. Drop a comment down below and share your opinions as well. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. And if you are new to my channel, smash that subscribe button right now for more awesome tech videos just like this one. In case if you haven't checked out my original PlayStation 5 video, definitely check it out. I'll have a card right here as well as a link down below in the description. And I've made some cool reviews for you guys recently, so definitely go ahead and check them out as well. Follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.